we go. There we go. My boy popping wheelies out here like it's nothing. That man going crazy. Oh, 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 snap. Sit up.
Yeah. Here, let me take it back to the show.
Look, I still have glasses.
He's still good.
Still good.
He's
All
good.
I
He's
did
not hurt.
is this, I was gonna take this shit off. This is 10 bucks. This, I bought it at Cycle Gear for 25 bucks, the whole assembly.
Yep.
The frame slider, I'll bend it back, tighten it.
The bike's still in good condition.
$40.
Yeah. Yep.
Who could say that they 12 o'clock in first gear their bike? Now look,
I don't know,
I'm still
man.
walking.
You still walking? You still
running.
good?
I could pop, man.
Look,
matter of fact,
he's
let
still
me
in
go
good condition. Oh, you good? You alright?
Still walking, alright?
Trying to bend that
Yeah,
back.
that's your baby. Before we cross the street, I'm like, see that dude? He wheelies the shit out of that bike. He just started wheeling.
Ya sé. ¿Quién sabe qué me pasó en el pie, vato? Porque siento que cuando le hago
Yeah, that was
it goes
crazy.
like
Once you get home, take them pants off and your shit be swung.
I gotta put a band or something. It's because when I landed, or when I lifted up, the bike,
He came all the way up.
yeah, it threw me down, and this leg, it touched first, because you could see it on the video.
Yeah, yeah.
And that's where,
like that?
because it went like this, and then it went like sideways, like it went.
I hope you didn't fuck up your knee.
Bruh. At least you didn't get knocked out by the drop. Shit.
That's true. That's true.
It wouldn't have happened if you had your helmet on.
Alright guys, let's go do a spear loop.
Maybe ready.
Can you ride?